What's going on? Got a special clip stream for you. So, looking at, we had like, I don't know, four or five different towns, anywhere from Indiana all the way up to Ohio that we were looking at going to. Every single one was showing cloudy. And now I look this morning and like, they're all showing partly cloudy, a little sunny. I'm like, what the hell? Yo, Hunter Lot, that's me. I thought it was an alright picture. I was out doing the yard yesterday. I was thinking we need to switch up this thumbnail. Rainy and snowy in Minnesota. What's up, Invest? I always see you in the comments. I don't think you usually show up in the live stream that often, right? Maybe a couple times. It has been a while. Glad to have you. What the frick is this? I was looking to go into near this town in Indiana. And before today, it was showing cloudy all day. And now today it says afternoon, the sun will be peeking through all the clouds. No, this is where I was going to drive to. One of the towns I was going to drive to for the eclipse today, but we canceled. Or this town in Ohio. Wow, this town still shows super cloudy. Of course, the afternoon on this one, it's showing the sun's going to be out. Texas looks really bad. Texas weather looks really bad, though. Just the afternoon. You, Hunter, lot, aren't you up in Ohio somewhere? You don't have to tell me exactly where, obviously, but you might be in the path of totality. Dayton, let's see. Man, you might be able to see this. Yeah, Texas looks... I know a lot of people went to Texas, but the weather there looks the worst. This isn't the map I wanted. Let's look at the weather first in Dayton. It's going to be cloudy. However, if you're in the path of totality, it will get dark. Oh, I don't know where Dayton is, but... Oh, yeah, look at that. So anywhere between this line and this line, this area, for like a period of time, it's just going to get super... It will get dark outside for a couple minutes. No, bro, go outside. It says it's going to start at 1:53 local time. Or wait, sorry. Totality will start at 3:09. Damn, I should have just came to your house. Go outside. Go outside at 3:05 because it's going to be cloudy there, but it will be normal brightness, 3 o'clock brightness, and then all of a sudden it'll just get super dark for a couple minutes and it'll be super bright. And like crickets will start to go and stuff. I'm telling Hunter a lot, not E-trading. Man, now I'm kind of disappointed now because this was the first town we were going to go to is Bloomington. And now it's freaking showing mostly sunshine. Crazy people say it's the end of the world. Mostly sunny. You gotta be kidding me. Wait, what time would it be there? It was like up in here. 3:04. Unbelievable. Oh well, weather's unpredictable. My original plan was just go and whatever happens, happens. But then the more I thought about it, that's an 8-hour drive there. And it was going to be like, it would happen at 3 and then we would just sit around there until probably 10 o'clock at night and then drive home another 8-9 hours. So that's a lot to do. And then the potential of it being cloudy. Appreciate it, Tyler. We just needed something new. Hopefully that one's a little more, maybe that's a little more welcoming because I'm smiling. How is the audio? The market is opening soon. We need to get this ready. Monday, like nothing. Is the right? Yeah. That's what Hunter Lot said too. I was outside mowing the yard and stuff. Going full trading, bro. Next, you'll see a Lambo behind me. That's how we'll sell these bots. How's the is the music too loud or too quiet? Yo, appreciate it, Jason. I felt like kind of nervous making a different thumbnail. Like this one's totally like a different picture, looks different. I'm like, I'm live every day with you guys. Like, who cares? But I was like, I don't know, what if? I don't know. That's just part of being online, I guess. Oh, that's a 5-second chart. I mean, that was still a big move compared to what has been happening, but pop one of these bad boys out and see what we got going on. That's right. Five-minute. We're still just in. Oh, okay. There we go. Let's look at a 15, or let's look at an hour. So that was that huge move the other day. Then we grinded up on Friday, right? And we've just, or I don't know what day, 4 or 5. When did we do that? Yeah, Friday. And we're just in this range, and I don't know where we go from here. What in the hell did I click? We're just right here, like in the middle of all that displacement. Yo, let's go, Jason. I have no idea where we go from here. again. We're on the 5-second chart. So I don't really care because we're just looking for scalps. We need Tyler's ICT expertise. Oh, you're busy that day? Are you using Rhythmic? Yeah, we just started trading for the first time in history. What platform are you using? Sometimes I have to log out of Quant Tower completely when I get that. And I know I've showed you guys this before, but opening if you go up into your little menu up here, I keep this open. I keep a window open. If you type in event trading, I don't know if you could see it, if it's getting cut off or not, but I watch this event log window and see I had just 5 minutes ago, rhythmic bar history loading error. Rhythmic sucks. I don't know what to do. Think we're faking everyone out. So we've got our 50K and I got my trade copier on to do half of whatever I trade here. So we'll start with 6 micros and copy 3 over to the 25Ks. NQM4, yeah, that's correct. I can try loading NQM4. I'm trading micros at the moment. 5 seconds there. Yeah, we decided to cancel McLovin as of yesterday. The weather wasn't looking good at any of the locations I wanted to go to, so we canceled. And now, of course, this morning it looks like it's kind of okay on one of them, but we have dogs and we kind of have to plan. So we had to make that decision already. If we didn't have dogs, I would have woke up and just left, seeing that it wasn't going to be that bad. But we have other people. We needed someone to come watch the dogs. And so then they're kind of relying on our decision. I love dogs, but it would be so nice to not have any animals and just be able to leave and come back whenever I want. Just lock the house up and I don't have to be back for days if I don't want to. But with them, I always got to be back a certain time to feed them, take them out, or have somebody else do it. And mine are a lot to deal with, so it's hard to get someone else to watch them. Got some 5-minute displacement, and it looks like we came right back into... Oh, are we open already? What the hell? We didn't move very far. I was also loading up the candles and stuff. And this needs to go on 5 second. And this needs to go on 6. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I think we start going up now, though. We came down and tapped a 1 minute and a 5 minute, created a 5-second gap right here. It's taking that. What was that? 6 points. We'll take it. Jason's long from 320. Yo, where's Alito at? I don't want to see the market close beneath this order block right here. I'd be watching that, Jason. Of course, don't let my analysis affect your analysis. We scalped that perfectly right there. That's why I'm just looking to get out for a few points. Just get the reaction. We have fair value gaps everywhere. When they line up, we should get a reaction off of them, which means we can capitalize on that reaction. No need to hold on to that for some crazy amount of points, because then if we held on a little bit longer, it started to come back and now we'd be in the red and we would be sweating our balls off hoping that this comes back, or taking a huge loss relative to the wins that we take. So I mean, you're taking larger trades, so that's a different story. But for my scalping, I can't hold. That's why I can't hold, because of this crap. I don't like the looks of this, though. It's Quant Tower wanting me to update. Just took out these lows. Do we go lower? I like when we take out lows and then create a gap. Maybe back up to that order block or something, if we can. Like that. Might be a pretty good day, boys. It was 9 points. Go ahead and now that we got a little bit of buffer, we'll jump up to 8 contracts. The music, you know. Hey, Jason, I mean, losers are part of the plan. We have to take them. Are you guys sure this audio is all right? I'm like paranoid that I'm sitting here not knowing that it's like way too loud or way too quiet. I think that's fine, right? Yeah. Yo, Myth, he's back. He's finally back. Where'd you even go? I don't keep tabs on everyone. Fort Lauderdale. I need to make a trip back to Florida. My brother moved up here. Like I moved up here, and then like the rest of my family moved here as well. Then my brother and his family just moved back to Florida. I haven't been back to Florida in a while. I need to go down and see some old friends and stuff. Better not be revenge trading. Yeah, going lower down to this low. 246 maybe. Got a fair value gap here on the 1 minute, breaking out of this little range. If we come back up into that and create a setup over here on the 5 second, we'll take it. If we don't already take that out, I think. But we probably will. I was saying the other day that when we have a strong move and like we're clearly going after a swing, like I think it's worth it to just jump in when you get close, because you're just looking for if you're just looking for a few points. We have a strong move that direction, we get that close, like most likely we're going to get close to it or go past it. So if you can time it so you can get your 5 points. That was at 247. So if we got in at like 255, I mean, obviously it worked in hindsight, but I feel like that works quite often. Now we're just selling off McLovin. I mean, if we're getting out of this chop that it's been in, I mean, do we just keep heading down now? See what it does here now that it took out that low. Look at that. Had this little move up. Get a candle with a gap. Came right back into it. Creating a little V here. It's looking like it. I'm gonna get in after created this red candle. It was something I was talking about the other day when we're creating this. That when this is happening, just get in after we create like a red candle. Of course, now we slow down. Should have done it back here, but it's okay. Whatever. We'll just get out. Took 2 points off of that. And since that was micros, probably killed that was probably mostly commissions. Market wasn't doing what I wanted it to do anyways. I was wanting something like this to happen where we get green, 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 red, and then a bunch of green again before we get another red. That's what I thought was going to happen. Of course, as soon as we get in, the market knows, so it slows down, waits for us to get out, and then the move will continue to happen. Pretty typical. That's okay. We wait for the next one. Nightly lows were taken. All that, yeah. That's why I'm thinking that we keep going up. Maybe this comes back and hits like one of these fair value gaps or something. Maybe we get on the break of that candle. No, that's not our setup. When do I get on the break of stuff? We're gonna wait. We can get in if we come back to either this or this one. McLovin shorting. I could see us coming back to one of these gaps, but I'm kind of thinking it may go up a little more. We left all these equal highs. We went up, down, took out this liquidity, which would indicate maybe we want to now go higher. I don't know. Just be safe. Stick to your plan. You can't be wrong if you stick to your plan. Are you wanting the lows, or what are you looking at for exits? Gotcha. I was messing with auto break even for the bot number 1 with the fair value gaps, and I started to do some back testing. So if I was risking 25 points every time we move 25 points, move it up 25 points. So basically just every time we secured whatever our risk was, move it up. And it was still profitable, but way less profitable than without moving the stops at all. The thing with the fair value gaps, especially on like the 5 minute, is we can come back into that several times. So I don't think, at least for what this bot is doing, moving stops is not ideal for it. Unless there's maybe I'm aiming at after a 1.5 reward, risk to reward. It's actually more than that. It's kind of confusing, the risk to reward. But maybe waiting for it to move further towards the profit and then secure a break even. But typically, if we move that far, like the take profit's gonna get hit. I still can't believe that trade on the trade it took on Friday. 100 points. Beautiful. I took 94 out because I was telling Alito that it was in a trade, and then he was telling me to freaking get out, secure my green. And I'm like, I need to just let it wait. And then it got to me, and I finally took it out. What's up, JR? Kind of ICT, yeah, basically ICT concepts, but like what I was just talking about, I have a bot that trades fair value gaps on the 5 minute, and then what I've been doing manually is just scalping the 5 second chart, and I wait for a 1 minute or a 5 minute fair value gap to be touched, and then get in on a reaction on a 5 second. So like right now we're in this 1 minute bullish fair value gap. So if we had a bullish fair value gap form on the 5 second, then I would long, and I'm just looking for a few points. If I get 3 points, I'm happy. Sometimes the market moves quicker and we get 10 points, and then I'm really happy. Sometimes we get 5 points, and I'm happy with that. The trick with what I'm doing is getting out of the losers quickly before it's too late. So we came into this 1 minute, got a reaction. So what's up, Knives? It's not the best looking little fair value gap, so I don't think I'm going to take it. But ideally, yeah, that wasn't really, if this was a better looking fair value gap, then I would long here, putting my stop at the low, and then just aim in for a few points. Doing pretty good. We started off smaller size, like two. We took 2 trades with a little bit lower size just to, get warmed up. And we got a little bit of a buffer, so we're up right now. And then after that, I bumped up to 8 contracts, which then copies 4 to the other ones. I'm gonna actually take this one, I think. This looks a little better. Again, we're just going after a few points. Just gonna take that right there. Probably could have held a little more, but we got 3 out of it, and whatever. I'm just trying to rack up wins, Racking up wins adds money to the accounts. But the strategy is pretty simple. You just can't let the market get to you, you know? That's a nice respect of this gap here, though. Bodies are relatively close to it. Dug down just a little bit. How's it going for you, Knives? Oh, nice. So at least you secured a no losing trade. Alito, where have you been? Well, like, you should be the first person on this stream in this chat. I should have a chat message from you before I even start the stream. McLovin, I'm assuming we're not in this short anymore. I just don't understand his mindset. Like, he should be the one actually getting my stream set up for me. Oh, you took 10 points in the green? Or you took the break even after the 10 points? Nice. I'm telling you guys, you know, Tyler has seen it. I think there's a couple others. You get these little scalps, you get out of your red trades quickly, and you can scale up accounts, and you can really add some money to your bank account instead of trying to hold on to bigger trades. It has its downfalls, though. Obviously, you guys have seen where I've gotten in a trade and it moves quickly against me. It didn't even have time to... I mean, I don't usually put stops, but I don't even have time to like react, and then all of a sudden I'm down 15 points, and it's like I'm only getting 3 to 5 points a trade. I can't really deal with that much of a loser. But as long as you can keep your head cool, keep calm, that was a nice... We never got a red candle. Came into this 1 minute right here, reacted off of it, created this, whatever the hell this is, a fair value gap and volume imbalances, but never got a red candle back into it. I honestly might, we'll stick around, but I might just call it there on the trading. And we took 2 trades with 6 micros, 1 trade with 8 micros, and we hit our $200 goal. And then half of that on the 2 25Ks. So, I don't know. I might... We could scale down maybe to keep practicing. Just keep taking the setups. Maybe go down to like 4 micros, so 4 and 2. But I don't know. There's no need to risk that. I'm gonna do the right decision. Wait, you just got another PA? Or you just added another eval today? I need to create an Excel sheet of everybody and like what they trade, how they trade, what their accounts are. You can't just say yeah, Tyler, because I asked if it's an eval, if you added an eval or a PA. So which one? Because knives, I try to engaging in conversation with you guys. It sucks for me to have to ask the same questions. Jesus. Now you're gonna have 6, right? Man, now I'm gonna have to add one. I had 5, and I can't let you have more. I really don't want to spend any more money on any of them until I take money out of these. I don't think I'm qualified, Jason. You're not stopping until you get 20, huh? Like, I so badly want to just get... We have 5, so we can have 15 more. I so badly want to buy 30 25Ks and just hedge them and pass 15. But there's no need. Like, there's absolute... Like, I just did... This doesn't seem like a lot individually, but these are all PAs. And, like, I know 2 of these are in the red, but I think it's okay for me to look at the total of that, which is 224 plus 117 plus 115. That's $456. I sure as hell don't make $456 at a day job. Yeah, and I'm not worried about the sale because, like, they have the sale all the time. Just worst case scenario, I get a payout and there's no sale or no one day pass. I just wait for a sale. Like, I don't have to have them. But once I take a payout, I'm going to dedicate some of that money to buying a bunch of accounts. Probably not the 30 I talked about, but maybe we'll get like 10 and add another guaranteed 5. Oh, okay, nice. Depending on how the payouts go, if we can start taking consistent payouts, which there's no reason I can't, then I will absolutely bring back the affiliate money giveaway. But right now, I'm kind of relying on that. I kind of need that. Trading money? Hell no, I'm not giving that away to you guys. Affiliate money, you guys can have once I start making it. But what changed is I got super broke. Yeah, that's I don't know, McLovin. That's a tough short. Maybe wait and see what we do at this 50%. Wait, you passed 2 today? You better have used my coupon. I was telling Tyler he better use the coupon for Apex so I can get that kickback of all the money he's spending on them. But I spent too much with Apex as well. I need to. That's why I'm waiting on getting more. Like, it's so tempting to go buy more accounts because we've been doing good, but that's just going to put more pressure on me and more money I'm spending, and I don't need to. Even if we only kept the accounts we have, we can make very good money with what we've got. Oh, it's not. I'm with you, Tyler. I still think higher prices are. I think that move down was just faking everyone out, but I have no idea. No idea. I'll be right back, guys. All right, what do we got going on here? Yeah, I'm not taking anything else. There's no point. The only reason why I would have is because we're sitting here, but that's a stupid reason to take a trade. We made our money. Now we're gonna lock it in by walking away. Yeah, so, I mean, it was pretty good for scalping. I don't think we were in the red at all on any of those trades, right? But I also caught some of them when they moved down, maybe, or no? I can't remember. Yeah, we are just stuck in this range here. I think Grim was taking the trading off today. He probably would have killed it with this. Yeah, so you have 6 or 7, right? Uh, also, I highly recommend not group trading all of those at first. I know you're gonna want to, but one mistake, you're gonna it's gonna be tough. So I don't think you'll make a mistake, but a mistake could happen on the platform, and we know how Apex is with their customer service. So be careful. Just be careful. But you're killing it with the micros. Yeah, but if you pass a Melito, it's not $30. It's you're either paying the 85 or the 140 or whatever. Also, I don't know why I have this text on here. We're not running that today. I like it. Yeah, I'm kind of I did lifetime on these two, 7 and 8. which is why I don't even touch those manual trading. Those are only allowed to trade on the bot. But these two, I freaking paid. I was like, I don't want to pay $260 for these. So I just did the monthly one. But now I'm like, I don't want to pay monthly on them either. So we got to get these to freaking. First of all, we got to get them in the green. And then we need to get them making money to pay for themselves. But if I can do $100 a day on them, one day pays for the monthly fee. Oh yeah, I remember you said something. Right, you still ended green though, right? What happened? You were just watching the markets and they sucked you in? That's why I don't watch the markets if I'm not, like, when I get off the stream, I try very hard to not watch the markets at all. Today we'll be able to do that for sure, because since we canceled our trip for the eclipse, we're going to drive to a little town in North Carolina, Boone, go have lunch out there. But that will get me away from the charts. No temptations. We're all like recovering gambling addicts. We have to be physically removed from the screen so we don't screw it up. Yep. When you feel invincible, Tyler, that's when you got to step away. I can't. I'll get flagged. I'll get like a copyright strike or something. This is annoying. You already passed some accounts. You don't trade your PAs. There shouldn't be any you should have no need to trade, right? Look at this. That's stupid. Like, there's no point in getting in anything here. You need to get off the goddamn charts, Tyler. That's what you need to do. Leave it alone. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go get ready, and then we're going to head out to Boone for lunch. It's like an hour drive. Let him cook. Knives, is your trade over with? Hell yeah. Nice. Yep. I don't know what... I mean, there's no need for me to risk the money that we're up. We hit our goal pretty quickly and easily, so just need to get out of here. I guess we'll be back tomorrow at the same time. You guys all take it easy. If you keep trading, be careful. Try not to let this get to you. That's all this is doing, is just chopping people up. There's no need to try to trade that. Nice, Jason. Good call. All right. You all have a good one, and we'll be back in the morning.